Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano is ready to hit $8 to $10 in 2022. It's already been a rough start to the year for Cardano, however, things are about to change. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the particular reason as to why ADA is going to be ending up trading at around $8 to $10 before the end of 2022. Stick around until the end of the video so you can see all the big guns Cardano is pulling out for the year. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on anything going on in the world of investing. Alright, onto the video. Let us kick things off by doing a quick overview of ADA's price performance so far. Since the beginning of 2022, the price of the ADA token has been experiencing a huge struggle to get out of that $1 zone. Getting into the second week of January, the price of the coin is still just above a $1 mark. While this performance is starting to worry some investors, there are others who believe that Cardano still has what it takes to hit the $8 or even $10 mark. So where is all this optimism coming from? First off, it is no longer news that Cardano has built and maintained several upgrades on its network, coupled with the launch of a number of projects, and let's not forget other projects that the Cardano community is currently working on. As a side note, we have a couple of videos highlighting some of the biggest projects that Cardano has planned for 2022, so be sure to check those out. Now, all of these upgrades and projects have driven the blockchain to impressive heights in the past year, and the Cardano Foundation and AOHK are taking an even more remarkable approach in 2022. Cardano's got a number of partnerships with huge networks in the crypto space and beyond. The idea behind is, of course, quite obvious. Because the more Cardano launches new projects and creates new partnerships, the more it attracts new users into the network. And so in light of Cardano's most recent approach to breaking past its current trading price, RavenDEX, a Cardano DEX, has decided to launch its initial stake pool offering, ISPO, before the testnet release. Every decentralized app works with a DEX. However, the ADA blockchain has been thriving in the crypto market even without the function of a DApp. That, however, has not been how the story ends, because RavenDEX, a fellow crypto project, plans to build a DEX platform for the ADA blockchain. Behind developments like these, there is always going to be a benefit to the Cardano blockchain. And in this case, after the launch of the ISPO, there would be new features on the Cardano DEX, RavenDEX. According to Being Crypto, those new features would increase the adoption and total value locked on Cardano ecosystem, as they are currently developing a decentralized exchange, IDO Launchpad, staking and lending platform where users can borrow collateralizing assets. Another significance to this DEX and the ADA blockchain is that it acts as a decentralized platform where users can trade their ADA tokens without having to worry whether it's safe or not. Better put, in the words of Being Crypto, RavenDEX would materialize as a decentralized platform where users can exchange and even trade Cardano native tokens without having to worry about security complications. Even more, this DEX team is planning to leverage the NFT industry such that any holder of the $RAVE token will be given the chance to earn more RAVE through staking and yielding farming. In the process, they are even likely to get NFTs, which, by the way, are quite rare. But we haven't gotten to the best part yet. If there's a platform where users stake their RAVE tokens to earn even more, with time this DEX will not only accept RAVE tokens, but also accept ADA. And then for users who would rather stake their ADA token and earn rewards in ADA and RAVE, they can do so by staking their ADA to RAVE stake pool after the launch of the ISPO, according to Being Crypto. Taking this new upgrade into consideration, the predictions about the ADA token trading between $8 to $10 before 2022 runs out might actually come true. But wait, there's more. Cardano recently acquired a Dutch asset management company, Actium, holding assets rounded up to about the £18.5 billion mark. In 2007, Actium launched its very first impact investment fund. Although its area of impact investing majorly included microfinance and SME finance among others. With almost 30 years of experience, Cardano believes this partnership is significant and it will be beneficial in the long run because it promises to improve the blockchain's service provision. Professional Pensions puts it this way. Cardano said that this deal significantly enhances its service provision, particularly with investment funds, corporate sustainability analysis, and ESG advice, noting it would allow it to offer best-in-class sustainable equity and fixed income portfolios in both the active and passive space, as well as a sustainable stewardship in-house. The pensions advisory and investment management firm now manages more than £50 billion of assets and employs over 500 people in the UK and the Netherlands across its advisory, investment management, and defined contribution businesses. After the successful purchase of this company, various heads of the Cardano organizations were then brought in to form a new Actium board. According to the Cardano Group CEO, Michael de la Tower, this set of people bring in a wealth of talent and experience and gives our clients access to a broadened advisory and asset management position. This deal is an important milestone in realizing our ambition to offer the best-in-class sustainable solutions that maximize financial and social returns to pension funds and other long-term investors. Just like Cardano's DEX, this acquisition of Actium has the potential to increase Cardano's impact investment offering, and with the massive customer base that the company controls, this will certainly spill over into the Cardano blockchain. This spillover of users is bound to have a ripple-on effect in the price of the ADA token, and it could boost it as high as the $10 mark before the year runs out. Moving on, there's recently been talk of Cardano Hydra in the crypto space. According to IOHK, Hydra is Cardano's Layer 2 scalability solution. With cryptocurrencies, scalability is one of the biggest problems, and for this reason, Cardano's parent company, IOHK, decided to expand the capacity of the blockchain by designing a Layer 2 scalability solution on the Cardano blockchain. In their words, it's a blockchain network, a consensus algorithm that creates a secure and trustless environment by ensuring agreement on a transaction history. Cardano uses Ouroboros, an efficient proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, and for this purpose, it's very well suited. But Cardano also, just like any other permissionless blockchain, faces challenges when trying to scale and achieve the throughput required to support applications in the real world, including payment, identification, game or mobile services, and things like that. After all, the blockchain needs to reach a global consensus on each and every transaction. IOHK further explained that transactions on the blockchain incur fees, and because the people, such as the stake pool operator community, who operate the network need to get paid, the blockchain needs to create a balance between making fees low enough so that users are satisfied, and then high enough so that there is a zero chance of a DDoS attack happening, and also create a means to deal with damage. On that note, IOHK says that Hydra is a Layer 2 scalability solution that seeks to address all these concerns, and aims to maximize throughput, minimize latency, incurring low to no costs, and greatly reduce storage requirements. Cardano Hydra works by providing better ways to process transactions off-chain for a group of users, while using the main chain ledger as a secure settlement layer. Here is a brief overview of how Hydra works from IOHK, as well as its proof of concept. Hydra keeps security guarantees while remaining loosely coupled to the main chain. Most importantly though, Hydra introduces the concept of isomorphic state channels, specifically for Cardano. This means that native assets, NFTs, and Plutus scripting are available inside each Hydra head. Many of the transactions currently headed by the main chain or applications running on the main chain can benefit directly from Hydra because it understands just the same transaction formats and signatures. This greatly lowers the entry barrier to Hydra for existing potential customers, and those who can reuse Cardano's tried and tested infrastructure for building wallets and applications interacting with the Layer 2 system. It's also important to make a note about transactions per second, because too often this is used as the sole measure of success when it comes to scalability. Some people tend to rate a network on the basis of its maximum throughput measured in transactions per second. Instead, our focus is on latency, the time that elapses until a transaction is confirmed, as another more practical way to measure the speed of blockchain transactions. Finally, the general idea for Hydra is that it provides the appropriate Layer 2 scalability solution that Cardano needs, a third-generation UTXO-based blockchain that has the ability to support smart contracts. In addition, Cardano will cut down costs and simultaneously increase throughput and maintain security. In the next few months, IOHK plans on introducing ways through which several Hydra heads are going to get interconnected to widen the reach of the scalability solution on the Cardano blockchain. In addition, IOHK says that they want the Cardano ecosystem to serve the needs of individual consumers, enterprises, professionals, and the growing list of dApps and their developers. IOHK is of the opinion that with the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano will start on a new journey as a smart contract platform, enabling technologies like Hydra, which will eventually improve the scalability of Cardano and therefore increase its chances of plunging into a bull run. With Cardano's new DEX, RavenDEX, in the market, and its purchase of Actium for investment purposes, Would you agree that Cardano has the potential to moon towards $8 to $10 in 2022? And let's not forget Cardano's most recent scalability solution. If anything, all of these are likely to make users remain bullish on the coin. Let us know your thoughts down below, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!